Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In previous classes, we already discussed about the oscillatory motion and oscillation, complete oscillation. Today our lecture is about time period. So how we define a time period for a vibratory object? Time period is defined as time taken by an oscillatory object to complete one oscillation, or to complete one round trip, or to complete one cycle. Symbolically, time period is represented by a symbol which is called capital T, and the mathematical form of the time period in a simple harmonic motion or in oscillatory motion is given as time taken by a vibratory object which complete one vibration is called its time period. So time period is mathematically presented by a symbol T, and time taken is small t, and number of oscillation is presented by capital N. The unit, the SI unit, System International Unit of the time period is second. Also in other systems, the unit of time is called second. अगर जिस्म A से B तक आ जाए और B से A तक आ जाए, तो तब ये जो टाइम ले रहा है A से B तक और B से A तक, उस टाइम को हम क्या कहते हैं? टाइम पीरियड. यानी that time in which vibratory object complete one oscillation from A to B and then from B to A, that time taken is called one time period. Same case अगर in the pendulum, अगर जिस्म A से B तक आ जाए और B से वापस A तक आ जाए, तो ये जो टाइम ले रहा है उस टाइम को हम क्या कहते हैं? टाइम पीरियड. यानी टाइम टेकन या टाइम रिक्वायर्ड फॉर कंप्लीट ऑसिलेशन इज कॉल्ड द टाइम पीरियड ऑफ द ऑसिलेटरी ऑब्जेक्ट. Thank you for watching the video.